welcomes you to Boston, where the local time is approximately 10:24 p.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim and gate, you may pick up those items outside of the front boarding door. If you need help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after we've arrived so that we may better assist you. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check the airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Also, be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our True Blue Loyalty program, which you can earn points along your flight, even starting with tonight's flight. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this New York-based crew, thanks for flying with us tonight. Safe travels to wherever your final destination may be. For those of you from Boston, we'd like to be the first to say welcome home. For those of you visiting, we'd like to tell you enjoy. Have a wonderful night.